Hi, today, let's take a look at the Origami Dripper. When I first unboxed Origami, the design really caught my eye. I went for the purple one, but let me tell you, choosing from their rainbow of colors wasn't easy. The Origami Dripper comes in two materials. Ceramic is fantastic for keeping your brew warm, and the resin model is a more budget-friendly option. But real quick, if you like content like this, please let me know by clicking the like button. Thanks. What's super cool about this dripper is its compatibility with two main types of filters. The cone-shaped ones we'd use in a Hario V60 and the flat-bottomed filters for the Kalita wave. It's like getting two drippers in one. Using the cone-shaped filter, it feels a lot like brewing with a Hario V60. The bottom hole is slightly larger, the drip rate is a bit quicker, but overall, it's a familiar brewing experience. Switching to the flat-bottomed filter, the Origami's 20 ridges are a perfect match for Kalita's paper filters. While the Kalita wave tends to have a longer brew time due to its 3 small holes, the Origami's larger hole speeds things up a bit. Let's brew some coffee with the Origami. I'm using my go-to recipe, 15 grams of light-roasted Ethiopian beans for both filters, aiming for a 1:16 brew ratio. That's about 240 grams of water at 94 degrees Celsius. I use medium grinds for pour-over. That's about setting 7 in my EasyPress OK Ultra. Starting with the Kalita filter. Rinse the filter, preheat the dripper, then pour 60 grams of water in 15 seconds and let it bloom for another 15 seconds. At 30 seconds, start the second pour in a circular motion until you hit 150 grams in 20 seconds. Give it a 10-second pause. Then at 1 minute, pour in the center until you reach 240 grams. And let it finish dripping. For the cone-shaped filter, I'm targeting a quicker extraction to emphasize brightness and clarity. Bloom the coffee with 50 grams of water for 30 seconds. Then pour to 100 grams in a circular motion. At 1 minute, start the third pour to 150 grams. After a 10-second pause, pour in the center to 240 grams. Two distinct cups of coffee from the same Origami Dripper. The cone-shaped filter tends to bring out the brightness and clarity in your coffee. And the flat-bottomed one really highlights the body and sweetness of your coffee. There's no single right way to brew with this dripper. It's all about getting creative, tweaking things to suit your taste and the beans you're using. Feel free to experiment with different filters too. Now, let's talk drawbacks. First off, it doesn't come with a dripper holder, so you'll need to purchase one separately. Without a holder, it might not fit all carafes and can tilt a bit while brewing. Origami Dripper is also on the pricier side, especially with the added cost of a holder. Second, it gets pretty hot after brewing, and you have no handle. It seems like they sacrificed the usability for aesthetics. But if you're into its design, love the idea of using different filters in one dripper, and are all about exploring new recipes, the Origami is definitely worth a try. That's the Origami Dripper. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe so you won't miss the next one. Keep experimenting and enjoy your coffee journey.